Hey guys, what's up? It's Ian here and Trevor, back with you guys from Insane RC Action, and today we'll be taking a look at the new 3D printed shock guards.
Yeah, let's get into it. The 3D printed shock guard features bitted form factor constructed out of ABS plastic. It's very strong, very durable. Also, there's a countersunk hull so you can use all your existing hardware, and our Insane RC Action logo, all piled on a nice vapor finish plastic, very rugged, very attractive.
Alright, so if you're interested in purchasing any of our 3D printed products, please visit our eBay store, which is linked in the description box below.